Hey you guys, I hope you're enjoying my Christmas tour so far. I intentionally didn't do a voiceover so that you could actually enjoy all the wonderful holiday decor eye candy. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe now. I would love for you to be a part of the Almond Summers family. Hit the notification bell right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, you guys, I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what it looks like at night. Sometimes you just can't get a feel for holiday decor unless you see it with the lights off at night. It's so beautiful, you guys. It is super, super, super beautiful. I love it a lot. Check out the mantle. You get to see the mantle lights. Although I am going to add a lot more mantle lights on here. Look at the sparkles of the Swarovski crystals. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? Very beautiful. I purchased this wreath on Etsy, by the way. I think the mantle that I built came out nicely. What do you guys think? This was my first time ever decorating a mantle, and I was really, really scared, you guys. But I am beyond thrilled by how it came together. I'm so feeling my little diamonds. Aren't they cute, you guys? I love it, love it, love it. I bought those a few years ago. And look at my little angel, Cupid angels. Those are so adorable. I purchased those on Amazon. Come on, focus. And these finials I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They are cute. I actually added some white paint to them because they were gray. And the greenery, as well as the roses and ribbon, I purchased from Michael's. And then there's my tree, you guys. I was actually going for a fairy tale effect. I wanted something romantic and beautiful and all about love. Even though I'm single, but yeah. It took me forever to do this tree. I mean, from the Christmas tree wrap, I did it multiple times, to the painting of the ornaments to get the right exact color, and as well as the tree topper, because I didn't want a star and I didn't want an angel. I just wanted something unique. So it took forever to do this tree, and then it just didn't work out several times, and I had to keep doing it over and over again. I was really reaching and looking for something that was creative and different, so I came up with this Christmas tree wrap thing because I had not seen it on the internet anywhere. Everyone was using the same thing, so I was like, let me just try to wrap a Christmas tree on my own. And my Christmas tree is big, and ribbons are just too small for a fat tree, you guys. They just are. So I searched all over the internet for something to wrap it with, and so I ended up making it on my own because I couldn't find anything. And like I said, I didn't see it on Google, I didn't see it on Pinterest, and I didn't see it on the YouTube. So yeah, you guys, if you do try this, do definitely tag me because I'd love to see if you do try anything like this for next year, for 2019, because the majority of the people I think are going to be watching it in 2019 anyway, because my video is so late right now. How adorable are these cute lanterns I hung in the ceiling? I purchased these from Michael's, and the candles inside I got from Big Lots. So cute though. On my coffee table I have this LED candle from Big Lots and this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous picture that's silver. I purchased that one from Amazon. It's so cute with the roses, and next to it the acrylic nutcrackers. Almost forgot about my sofa. There's the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas pillows, as well as the Merry Christmas and the heart-shaped pillow. The heart-shaped pillow I purchased from Pier 1. On my end table I have this sleigh full of goodies. So like if you have that unexpected guest that comes to your house for Christmas, you'll have something to give them. Always keep something living and edible in your living room. Like these chocolates I got from Walgreens. They're very cute and they come in these little individual boxes with bows. So cute, you guys. A must-have for your guests. And then I didn't show you guys this little nutcracker guy too. I went nutcracker crazy. The clear nutcrackers as well, I got those from Michael's. These reindeer I purchased these from Lowe's. Lowe's, yeah, it came through hardware store. Lowe's, and Mariah Carey right here with this album and stuff. I got that from Amazon. I think that's it. And the nutcrackers, oh, these I had from last year. I just spray painted them gold and painted them white and changed the color. So that's basically it with that. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I will do my best to leave as many products as I found throughout my fun decorating experience for you guys underneath this video inside the description area. If you guys would like an undecorate with me, more detailed version of how I put this tree together, just leave a comment down below and let me know, because that seems like something that, you know, I think you guys might be interested in. Because it's much easier to tell you how I did it after I did it than it is while I'm doing it, because I have no idea what I'm doing when I'm being creative. It's just whatever comes to my head at the time. So it just makes sense to do it after the video. So here is some other angles of the Christmas tree and a close-up view of the top, which you can't really see because the sun just wants to come in and out, but I'm trying really hard to zoom in. I'm kind of short and it's an 8-foot tree, so enjoy. I do hope you've enjoyed watching my Christmas tour. I enjoyed putting it together for you guys. It did take me a little bit longer than normal, but I'm super excited the way it turned out. Keep the conversation going by leaving your comments and questions, because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about this video in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. I would truly love that. Rate this video by giving it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.